Watch the top of your screen here as you'll see at the red line, Dmitri Kulikov over there. You see Sean Thornton skating up. Stars getting a little antsy there with Kulikov early.
They are. They're going to try and respond. Sean Thornton steps in right away, has some words. Whatever's going to happen, Sean Thornton on the ice can solve that problems. But Dmitri Kulikov, if they come after him, I wouldn't mind Kulikov answering the bell and getting it back and have that fight. But Sean Thornton having a serious conversation there with McKenzie on the other side. Hasn't been playing a lot. I expect a big game out of Upchall.
He's got the bucket. He moves in here. Has a chance. Fires. Save by Letman. And then here we go.
There's
It's Kulikov and McKenzie. And this may settle the whole thing. Kulikov had a hit last month against Seguin. And Kulikov willing to drop the gloves, go at it with McKenzie. And you wonder, guys, with Kulikov willing to do that, is that the end of that?
Yes.
No.
Okay, there we go. That's
There's
why.
no way this is the end.
That's why I love the you two guys.
No. There's no way this is the end. I mean, if I'm on the ice or on the bench with, and I say this but it's just seeing it time and time again. McKenzie's had too many words with Upshall, too many words with Thornton for this to be the end of it. From Dallas and continue this, making the message very clear.
Good for Dmitri Kulikov, though.
Yeah.
Stand up for yourself, get it done, get it over with. He knew he might have to answer the bell at some time.
That one could have been a good one for him.
Well, this is an example why, and we've talked about this. I mean, look at this camera shot. Ouch. They just go
that's
at
a good shot right there.
This is why you need fighting in hockey, because if you don't have it, a situation like this winds up with somebody swinging a stick at somebody's head,